Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And I've got something we're getting ready to put on a lot today. I wanted to show this to you. Now this is something you don't run across very often. This is a 2005 Thunderbird. Now this is not just a Thunderbird, but this is a 50th anniversary edition. And I want to walk up here and show you, and I hope that you can see this. 50th anniversary. Came out in 1955, and this was made, this car, in 2005. So Ford Thunderbird, beautiful blue exterior. Wait till you see the interior. It's a cream colored leather interior. Now this is a convertible. It's a hard top convertible, so that top will come off. So I'm going to go ahead and open the trunk and show you the space back here. Okay, here we got the trunk lid open, and as you can see, there is a lot of room, even going back underneath there. Now, another thing with this car, it's a V8 engine. It's a 3.9 liter, so you're going to have plenty of power with this thing. Okay, so we'll continue to do our walk around, and as you can see, I mean, it's got the classic small round windows, and I just think that is such a cool, nice added touch to this car. But like I said, ladies and gentlemen, it is convertible, so just imagine in the summertime, imagine the top taken off. And we do have the stands that comes with this where the top will actually rest on, but use your imagination of what this car is going to look like with that top removed in the summertime. I mean, just incredible. Let's go ahead and take a peek inside. Okay, look at the beautiful cream color of these seats. And you do have power seats on both sides. Let's show you the door panels here, and your window controls, and your mirror and inside lighting controls. But look at the beauty of this car inside. I want to show you this before we even hop in. So let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay, here we are on the inside, but even your steering wheel, the color matches your seats. I mean, they really did put a lot of thought into this car and the design. We'll get up here close, show you the gauges. And this is a very low mileage car. You can actually get the information underneath it here. But here on your steering wheel, you do have controls for your cruise control and audio controls here on the right. And get over here into the main command center. Your vents does have a CD player here, your audio selection, your climate control. It does have dual zone climate control, and another nice feature right here, it does have heated and cooled seats in here. And this is the button right here that you just push the bottom, and it will actually release in order to get your top off. So let's scroll on around your gear shift. You've got two cup holders and a storage area right here. Let's look in back. Now, this is only a two-seater, but they even put the Thunderbird logo right here, and you do have a area right there. But that's it, guys. That concludes our tour of a 2005 Ford Thunderbird 50th edition 3.9 liter V8 engine convertible. So it's got a lot of nice features of this. So if you got any questions, feel free to give us a phone call up here, area code 740-992-4443. Have a great day.